To English Minds, where learning English becomes simple, fun, and inspiring.
Join us to speak with confidence and clarity. Let's grow together.
Welcome back to English Minds, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily, and today we're going to talk about something really exciting: how to talk in English about your hobbies.
Hey everyone, it's Mark. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and grab the PDF download in the description. It has all the phrases, vocabulary, and exercises from today's episode so you can practice while listening.
That's right. And audience, let me ask you, what's your favorite hobby? Write it in the comments below. Are you into sports, music, painting, or maybe something unusual?
Personally, I love playing the guitar, but sometimes I pretend I know how to play.
Classic Mark. Okay, let's start with the basics. How to describe your hobbies in English. Piece 12. Basic vocabulary and phrases for hobbies. First, some useful verbs you can use. Play, for sports or instruments. I play football. I play the piano. Do, for activities, especially sports. I do yoga. I do karate. Go, for activities that involve movement. I go swimming, I go hiking. Like, love, enjoy. I love painting. I enjoy reading.
And don't forget about nouns: music, sports, reading, drawing, hiking, dancing, gardening, cooking.
So, a simple sentence could be, I enjoy playing football, or I love painting in my free time.
Audience question. Right below, which verb do you use the most with your hobby? Play, do, go, or enjoy/love?
Talking about your free time. Now, let's make it more natural. Instead of just saying your hobby, you can add details. I love painting in my free time, especially landscapes. I enjoy reading novels, especially mysteries.
Or talk about frequency. I play football twice a week. I go swimming every weekend.
Audience, try it now. Tell us one of your hobbies and how often you do it. Write it in the comments.
And don't worry about mistakes. Every attempt helps you improve.
Adding why you like it. Next, let's talk about why you like your hobby. This makes your conversation more interesting.
Example. I love playing the guitar because it relaxes me. I enjoy painting because it helps me express my feelings.
Or for sports, I like swimming because it keeps me healthy and active. Audience question. Why do you enjoy your hobby? Write your answer in English below. This is an important step. It shows your personality when speaking English. Giving more details. You can also describe when, where, and with whom you do your hobby.
For example, I play football with my friends every Saturday at the park. I read novels at night before going to bed. I dance in a studio every Thursday evening.
This makes your sentences longer and more natural.
Audience challenge. Try to write one sentence about your hobby, including who, where, and when.
Adding humor to your hobby conversation. Now, let's add a little fun. Humor makes your conversation interesting and reduces fear of speaking English.
Example. I tried to play the piano, but my cat thinks I'm making noise, not music.
That's perfect. Audience, tell us, does your pet interrupt your hobbies too? Write in the comments.
Another funny one. I dance in my room like nobody is watching. But my little brother is always watching.
Talking about sports hobbies. For sports lovers, here are some extra phrases. I train 3 times a week. I enjoy outdoor activities like hiking and cycling. I like team sports because I enjoy working with others.
And remember verbs: run, swim, jog,
cycle, lift, play, do.
Audience question. What's your favorite sport and why do you enjoy it? Comment below. Creative and artistic hobbies. For creative hobbies, I love painting landscapes. I enjoy drawing cartoons. I like writing poems in my free time.
You can also describe tools and materials. I paint with watercolors. I write stories on my laptop. I play the guitar using an electric guitar.
Audience challenge. Describe your hobby with the tools or materials you use. Reading and learning hobbies. For bookworms and learners, I enjoy reading novels, especially mysteries. I like learning languages in my free time.
I read articles online about science and technology.
You can also talk about when you read. I read every night before sleeping. I usually read in the morning with coffee.
Audience question. What book are you reading now? Write your answer below in English.
Music and dancing hobbies. Let's talk about music and dancing, two very popular hobbies.
Yes, you can say things like, I play the piano every evening. I love singing in my free time. I enjoy dancing to pop music.
Don't forget about describing your skill level. I'm a beginner at playing the guitar. I can dance salsa quite well. I've been learning the violin for 2 years.
Audience question. What music hobby do you have? How often do you practice? Write in the comments.
Adding why you like it makes it more engaging. I love singing because it makes me feel happy. I enjoy dancing because it's fun and keeps me fit. Gaming and online hobbies.
For gamers, here are some useful sentences. I play video games in the evening. I enjoy online multiplayer games with my friends. I spend about an hour a day gaming.
You can also explain why you like gaming. I enjoy gaming because it helps me relax. I play strategy games to challenge my mind.
Audience challenge. What's your favorite game and why? Write it below in English.
Cooking and food hobbies. Food lovers, this one's for you. Cooking can be described like this. I love cooking Italian food. I enjoy baking cakes on weekends. I try new recipes every week.
You can also describe where and with whom. I cook dinner for my family every night. I bake cookies with my friends on Saturdays.
Audience question. What's your favorite dish to cook? Write your answer in English below. Outdoor and adventure hobbies.
Outdoor hobbies are fun to describe. You can say, I love hiking in the mountains. I enjoy cycling in the park. I go camping with my friends every summer.
And you can describe your experience. The view from the top was amazing. I felt very relaxed while walking in the forest.
Audience challenge, write about your favorite outdoor hobby and what you feel when doing it.
Weekend and free time hobbies. Weekend hobbies are perfect to practice English naturally. I spend my weekends reading books. I enjoy watching movies with my family. I like gardening in my backyard.
Don't forget casual phrases. I hang out with friends. I chill at home and watch series. I explore new places nearby.
Audience question. What's your favorite weekend activity? Comment below. How to discuss your hobbies confidently. Now, let's build confidence when talking about hobbies.
Tip 1. Use full sentences. Don't just say, football. Say, I play football with my friends twice a week.
Tip 2. Add extra details. Who, when, where, why. It makes your conversation natural.
Tip 3. Use phrases to manage conversation. I also enjoy. Another hobby of mine is I've been doing this hobby for.
Audience challenge. Write a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph about your hobby using these tips. Humor and real-life examples.
Add humor to reduce fear when speaking English.
For example, I tried painting, but my cat thought my brush was a toy.
Or I tried cooking pasta, but it ended up sticking to the ceiling.
Audience question. Share a funny hobby story in the comments. Don't be shy. Extra vocabulary and phrases. Here's a list of extra words to describe hobbies. Relaxing, exciting, fun, creative, challenging, adventurous, social, calming, educational.
Phrases for talking about frequency. Every day, every week, once a month.